Well, after doing some of our own research and also receiving feedback from the community, we started looking into the area of biomaterials as a potential new journal. And it's a particularly topical area, rapidly growing in terms of the amount of research being carried out. And really nowadays society is looking towards science to solve a lot of the challenges that society is facing. And healthcare is one of these such challenges. The integration of materials science and biology is leading to more and more advances in the field and really having an impact on people's lives. So RSC Publishing, we're really excited to be involved in this area, and we hope the journal is going to fill a niche that other journals maybe don't cover. The journal will focus on the very best fundamental science of biomaterials, so in particular the mesoscopic science of the materials, and also how cells and biological matter interact with materials. It's only once we can really understand these fundamental issues, can we then go on to design the materials of the future. There are some really excellent journals in the field already, and we hope that with our focus on the fundamental science of biomaterials, that we will actually complement those other journals and offer authors another choice. We've had some really nice feedback so far from the community who welcome a journal with the scope of biomaterials science, and we're looking forward to being part of that community. I should also mention that RSC Publishing owns and publishes Biomaterials Science, so it's a not-for-profit publisher, and we give authors the option to publish in a journal where all the proceeds go back into supporting science. Another very exciting aspect of biomaterials science is that the journal will be published in collaboration with ICEMS at Kyoto University. So this is the Institute for Integrated Cell Materials Science, and it's one of the world premier initiatives which was launched by the Japanese government to create hubs of research excellence in Japan. One of our editors-in-chief, Professor Norio Nakasuji, and one of our associate editors, Professor Hiroshi Sugiyama, are based at ICEMS, and we're really looking forward to working with them to make biomaterials science a world-leading journal. I would say to consider the readership of the journal and also the impact that you anticipate your article will have. The scope of the journal is very important in determining whether the people who are reading the article really are the people you wish to reach. Other things you might wish to consider are, is it a society publisher who are on the editorial board? Is open access an option? And just on that point, Biomaterials Science, as at all RSC journals, has an open access policy. Should you wish to publish via that route, it's called RSC Open Science. And also for the first 2 years of publication, so until the end of 2014, biomaterials science content will be completely free for everyone to access. Well, there's lots of things that excite me about being managing editor of Biomaterials Science. I recently attended the 9th World Biomaterials Congress in Chengdu, and it was great to see the community all come together, and there was a real buzz about the meeting. A favourite part of my job is working with our editorial board. So we have our leaders of the board, Professor Nakasuji, who I mentioned earlier, and a second editor-in-chief, Professor Phil Messersmith from Northwestern University in the US. They lead a team of associate editors and editorial board members to direct the future of the journal and develop the strategy, and it's a great pleasure to work with them. To be involved in the launch of a journal which focuses on an area which has potential to improve human lives is fantastic, and I can't wait for the first issue to come out.